What we'll need to do is grab a pressure limiting valve or PLV to limit the water pressure to less than 500 kilopascals. These can cost anything up to about $80, but I got this one off eBay for just $16. It's a push lock connector style, which is really easy to install. There's a bunch of these on the market around 350 to 400 kilopascals designed for fridge filters, which is perfect for what we want to do with them. They come to suit either a 1/4 inch or 3/8 hose. We want a 3/8 one in this case, which is for an EZAC water purifier, but other manufacturers might use a different size. So all you do is cut the inlet hose where you want it to go. You want a nice clean cut with no daggy edges. There are proper hose cutters for this task, but you can also use cable strippers with the blade set deep if you have a set of cable strippers with an adjustable blade, or anything razor sharp like a Stanley knife that can make a nice clean cut. Scissors or snips tend to squash the hose, making an uneven cut, but if that's all you've got, you might need to trim it up a bit to get a nice clean end. PLVs are directional too, so don't get it the wrong way around. Then just push the hoses into each end and pull back to make sure the connection's firm. If you need to get the hose out again, see that little gap just there? You need to hold that in and then just pull on the hose. It can take a bit of muscle, but usually they come out fairly easily. And that's it. Now any water going through this is going to be limited to 400 kilopascals for a trouble-free water purifying system.